Hey guys, welcome to another Illustrator tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to type with one of the Pathfinder type tools. So this is a pretty easy trick and all the tools are set up in Illustrator to do it. And by the way, if you are looking for free things every single week because you're trying to learn how to become a designer, all you have to do is go click on the link in the description here to join my courses VIP group. Or you can go to my website at karinagardner.com and click on exclusive VIP. I send out freebies literally every single week, just letting you know about either new tutorials, PDFs on different items that you can do to get paid as a designer. It's a really cool program that I've tried to put together for you guys. The other thing you can do is for free, you can take an introduction to Illustrator class on my website. It's just 3 lessons long and it just gets you used to the idea of Illustrator and where a few items are. So go take that for free. All right, guys. Let's take a peek at the type tool. Now, this is such a powerful tool. We use it for so many different things. So all you have to do is come over to your toolbar and you can see that if you click and hold down, a little type menu will arrive for you. So the menu item that we are interested in is the type on the path tool. Now this is such a cool tool because it will allow you to type on any path that you create. Now if you've never created a path before, we're going to create a simple one right now. And so what we're going to do is come over, I think your rectangle tool is probably sitting on top, but all you need to do is click on that and you can see if you hold down with your mouse or your tracking pad, then you can grab your ellipse tool. All right, so I'm going to hold down my shift key, and what the shift key does is keep things super proportionate. So I'm going to pull down and create this circle, okay? If you didn't hold down the shift key, you maybe came up with some kind of weird ellipse. No big deal, you can use that as well. So what we've done here is actually create a path. So if I come over to my selection tool, I'm just going to select off of it. I want you to see that this line right here that was created to make the circle, that is actually a path in Illustrator, okay? So in order to type on this path, we're just going to select it. It doesn't matter what the fill or the stroke is. We're going to come over to our type tool and click and hold down, choose type on a path tool, and all you have to do is click anywhere on that path. Now, if you have an older version of Illustrator, it might not fill in with type the way mine did. Many older versions, they just give you a little blinking light, that, little line that lets you know that you can start typing. But this one filled in with type for me. But if I start typing, you can see that it's typing on this path. Now, there are so many applications for this, you guys. I make a lot of my stamps this way, especially round stamps. So say you are writing like the address of something. So let's see, Karina Gardner, and then some address. This is made up. Okay, so you can now change the size of it. You can highlight it like this if you would like, and open up your type tool, which you need to go to Window, Type, Character, and it should show up right here on the right side. You can see that Myriad is my default font. It should be yours as well. You can change the size, you can change the typeface, you can change, look at that. And so what it's going to do is change depending on how big or small you want to make it. You can also change the spacing, which might be helpful if you are trying to, this is your letter spacing right down here. If you are trying to make it fit a certain way, you can change that. This up and down won't work as much on this, but you get the idea. You can also change your paragraph. Right now it's left. You can align it center. That's going to change where it is on that path. Okay, so this works not only for a circle, this also works if you are creating paths. So let's create a path really quick. I'm going to come over to my pen tool, which is usually the third piece down here from the top, and I'm going to click a single time to create my anchor point, and then I'm going to click again and I'm going to pull. So I create a curved shape.
okay? And then now I'm going to click again. I'm just going to use that line, okay? Now don't worry if you have a fill or a stroke, and I'm coming over here to my selection tool to end that. Don't worry if you have a fill or stroke. You can see mine has just created a fill. If you come over to your type tool and you use your type on a path tool and you just click on that line, it will automatically change it to a type tool. Now just be aware that it will never be an object again. It's now converted to type. So now if I write on this, it is using my, my last settings that I had. So it's got that center point and it's changed to this size. If you try to change the size when you're at the end here, it's not going to do anything. You have to highlight it and you have to make those changes while it's highlighted, and it will make some great changes for you. Okay, you guys, that's your type on a path tool. It's such a great tool to use. So great for stamps, so great for curve shapes or filled. You can even use it for filled shapes. But hopefully you will get a chance to play with this and become really comfortable with it because there are so many great applications for it. Okay, I hope to see you guys soon. Remember that you can join my courses VIP group if you are looking for freebies and tutorials every single week. And of course, I have that free class, Intro to Illustrator, that you can sign up for on my website. See you guys soon.